Mega love shout out. Hello everyone. Mega love shout out. Tayo sa garden. Ayan, yan po yung mabangong bulaklak. That is the very good smell flower. I don't know the name. Yes, this is the spring flower. So today is a little bit cloudy but very peaceful. This is the view of our garden. Mega love shout out, 2 million in the house.